Now under construction, this exciting transit project is bringing 18 kilometers of smooth, fast, reliable rapid transit to Mississauga and Brampton. And you can see the progress construction crews have made over the past year. The Hurontario LRT will operate on a dedicated lane in the center of the roadway, but before tracks can be installed, utility services need to be relocated to ensure the safe and reliable delivery of services once a transit line is in operation. This work accounts for a lot of what you will see when driving along the corridor today. As this work is completed, the roadway will be widened and the new curbs will be installed. You'll see a dramatic change in the landscape around the Port Credit GO station as crews continue to prepare the infrastructure that will bring the transit line under the Lakeshore West rail line. So far, crews have excavated over 37,000 cubic meters of soil to build the underground station stop. On the other side of the tracks, crews work to revitalize Maryvick's Creek by widening and raising the retaining walls in order to protect the area from future flooding. And if you're driving along the 407 just past Hurontario, you'll see that the operations maintenance storage facility is almost complete. This critical piece of infrastructure is where the Alstom Citadel Spirit vehicles will be stored, cleaned, and repaired during operation and is anticipated to be completed next spring. So, what's ahead for 2022? You know what they say, new year, new you. Next year we'll see some of the most dramatic changes to the corridor, with the tracks being installed along Hurontario Street and the beginning of the works to build the LRT stops. During this construction, we continue to keep the community top of mind, reaching out to businesses and residents to gather feedback and update them on upcoming work in their area while we continue to make progress on this exciting transit project. For more information, you can follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at Hurontario LRT. Be sure to visit metrolinx.com/Hurontario LRT to sign up for the newsletter, to have monthly updates about all of the Metrolinx projects in the region of Peel delivered straight to your inbox. Remember to support your local business during this time. We thank you for your patience as we continue to build this important project.